liver. Later on, they are used as a source of energy. It is converted into other carbohydrates like fructose can give rise to glucose, mannose can give rise to glucose, and glucose will enter absorbed in our body by our body into blood, hence give instant energy. It is converted into other carbohydrates like it also can be converted into other carbohydrates like glycogen for storage. Liver glycogen can meet with ups and downs of blood sugar. Ribose is a backbone in nucleic acid formation like DNA and RNA. Galactose and lactose of milk. Galactose is most important epimer of glucose. Glucose also is a content when glucose sugars join with other macromolecules like proteins and are proteins joined with the sugars, proteoglycans and glycoproteins. In glycoproteins, protein ratio is more than carbohydrate. In proteoglycans, carbohydrate ratio is more than protein. This will be discussed in later on. Glycoproteins and proteoglycans, glucose is most important content of them. They are present some lipoproteins like LDL. Lipoproteins will be discussed later on. HDL is beneficial for body. LDL are not beneficial for body. They extract our extra fat or cholesterol from the body. They will be discussed in later on. Present in plasma membrane, glycocalyx is a cover which is provided by carbohydrates. Glycophorin is a major integral membrane glycoprotein of human erythrocytes. Its biomedical importance of glucose, your ECQs comes like this. What are biomedical importance of glucose? Most important epimer of glucose is galactose. Galactose is found in lactose of milk. Galactose you will not find separately. Galactose will always you will find with the lactose of milk. Glucose, lactose joined together to give rise galactose. Now most biomedical importance, furthermore most abundant dietary source of energy. Brain cells and red blood cells are almost wholly depend on carbohydrates as the energy source because it crosses blood-brain barrier easily. So it can be as an instant source of energy for brain and red blood cells. Also serves as a storage form of energy in the form of glycogen in animals, starch in plants. Carbohydrates are precursors for many organic compounds, fats, amino acids, as well as dihydroacetone is precursor for lipid synthesis. Participate in the structure of cell membrane and cellular function, cell growth, addition, fertilization by means of glycocalyx. Certain carbohydrate derivatives are used as drugs like cardiac glycosides or antibiotics. And glucose is a very important role in diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus occurs when this glucose metabolism is disturbed. Now, biomedical importance and biological significance of fructose. If your ACQs comes that what are biomedical importance of what is fructose, give rise its source and its biomedical importance. So you have to write down first of all the dietary sources. Fructose, most commonly we are having fructose from the fruit juices, honey and sugar cane. It's sweetest of all sugars. Seminal fluid is rich in fructose. Sperm utilizes fructose for energy. In the seminiferous tubular epithelial cells, fructose is formed from glucose. Glucose forms fructose. A question asked from one student that it means fructose is not present in females. Glucose is present in males as well as females, but in males seminiferous epithelial cells, that glucose is converted into fructose. That fructose is utilized for a source of energy for sperm. So seminal fluid is rich in fructose. Sweetest of all sugar, honey is rich of Honey contains 50% glucose, 50% fructose. It is sweetest sugar. Now galactose. What are the sources? What is biomedical importance of galactose, or what are its function or abnormality? If there is any abnormality seen in its metabolism, galactose none for free form. You will not get it in free form. It is formed by hydrolysis of lactose, milk sugar. Lactose is converted into glucose. Lactose converted to glucose and used for synthesis of milk. It enters in cellular membranes of brain and nervous system. Its main important constituents of myelin sheaths, gangliosides. Its deficiency will lead to galactosemia. If enzyme to metabolize galactose is missing, so it will lead to galactosemia. It will present as with mental retardation, cataract, opacity of the lens, cirrhosis, liver architecture will be permanently distorted. Is termed as cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is the end stage of a chronic end stage disease. D forms are mostly written because in living organism only D isomers are found. Okay, D galactose will not found in free form. Found by hydrolysis of lactose. Lactose will give rise galactose and glucose and galactose. It is further converted to glucose and used for synthesis of milk. It enters in cellular membrane of brains and nervous system. That's why an infant till age of the 6 months is solely kept on milk, because milk contains lactose, galactose. It is very important for their IQ, mental growth. Their neurons, their gangliosides, their myelin sheaths, all these require solely milk. Milk contains galactose. Galactose will nourish their gangliosides, their brain. Galactosemia occurs if enzyme is missing. So it will lead to presence as patient will present with mental retardation, cataract, and cirrhosis. Disaccharides. Now, disaccharides are double sugar. Disaccharides, also termed as double sugar, is a molecule found by two monosaccharides or simple sugar. Three common disaccharides are sucrose, glucose, and fructose joined together to give rise sucrose. Glucose will give rise maltose. Glucose, galactose will give rise lactose. They have 12 carbon atoms and their chemical formula is C12H22O11. Most abundant disaccharide is sucrose. It is sweetest of all sugars. Clear? Disaccharides are formed through dehydration reaction, or you can say dehydration synthesis, in which a total of one water molecule is removed from the two monosaccharides. When disaccharides like sucrose are digested, they are broken down into their simple sugars, and those simple sugars, almost glucose, are used for energy. Lactose is found in breast milk and provides nutrition for infants. Maltose is sweetener that is often found in chocolates and other candies.
5 lakhs जो है वो चार्ज करते हैं, लेकिन उसकी जगह आपको सिर्फ एक बंदा रिक्वायर्ड था जो कि आईडी वो आपसे 2.5 लाख चार्ज करता है। अगर आपने वर्क फ्लो को चेंज नहीं किया तो डेफिनेटली आप अपने रिजल्ट की तरफ आपकी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन।
Maltose is a disaccharide formed from 2 units of glucose. It's their biomedical importance and their formation, how they are formed. Maltose is commonly called malt sugar. It is produced commercially by hydrolysis of starch, converted to glucose, and used as an energy source for growing embryo in seed. It is mostly used for alcohol fermentation. It is used as a sweetener. It is used for additional use. It is also termed as malt sugar. It is used on commercial basis. Maltose is a disaccharide found from 2 units of glucose. Maltose is commonly called as malt sugar. It is produced commercially. Like by hydrolysis of starch, we will get maltose. Then maltose will convert it into glucose, and that glucose is used as energy source for growing embryo in seed, used in alcohol fermentation. It is these both reactions biomedical importance. It is used for alcohol fermentation. It is used on commercial basis, and we will get maltose from hydrolysis of starch. It is all these the repetition of previous classes. Now sucrose is the commonest sugar known. Commonest disaccharide, sweetest disaccharide is sucrose. It is found in sugar cane, sugar beets, and other sources are maple sap, honey, and fruit juices. Its general formula is disaccharide C12H22O11. On hydrolysis with acids or enzymes, sucrose gives equal parts of glucose and fructose, which thus constitutes the 2 monosaccharide units of sucrose. Sucrose
अब क्या है, सबसे पहले मैंने काम ये किया है कि मैंने आईटी सिस्टम लगा दिया वहां पर, मैंने सारा का सारा एचआर लगा दिया.
Sucrose, when they will be hydrolyzed, water will be removed out. When we have to yield glucose and fructose, we have to attach water with them by action of hydrochloric acid. That is acid which is present in our stomach. When they are hydrolyzed, it will give rise equal units of glucose and fructose. Commonest sugar known, commonest disaccharide. Okay, and sweetest of all sugar. Oligosaccharides are polymer containing a small number 3 to 10 approximately of monosaccharide units or residues. You can say them residues connected by glycosidic linkage. Here monosaccharide units are termed as residues. Function of oligosaccharides: bacteria that feed on fermentable carbohydrates produce many beneficial substances, include short chain fatty acids and certain vitamins B. B vitamins are used for cell recognition and cell addition. Selectins is an example. Selectin use can be used on the membranes of pathogens. They can used as a marker for recognition of pathogens. So they can used for cell recognition and cell addition. Now BCQs. BCQs till the introduction of carbohydrates, classification of carbohydrates from monosaccharides and disaccharides. SCQs I have given you. What are the sources? Sources and biomedical importance of glucose, fructose, galactose, whereas BCQs are given now. Now tomorrow there will be detailed discussion on polysaccharides regarding their BC. First our lecture will be repeated. Then there will be BCQs and ACQs. Detailed discussion on BCQs and ACQs. Now aldose sugar is among glycerose, ribulose, erythrulose, and dihydroxyacetone. Which is aldose sugar?
मार्केट में कम्पीट करना है तो यू हैव टू चेंज दैट ट्रेडिशनल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोचेस को आपको चेंज करना होगा, ट्रेडिशनल थ्योरीज को आपको रिमूव करना होगा. जो हम पहले करते थे हमें उस तरह से काम. अच्छा, अब आ जाता है कि हमारा आईटी जो सिस्टम होता है उसके लिए हम पर्टिकुलर एक वर्ड यूज करते हैं, लेवल. मींस कि हम काम करें उसकी एक्यूरेसी. अब जैसे उसका एडवांस इंक्लूड होते जाएंगे क्वेश्चंस कि आपकी आईटी सिस्टम जैसे जैसे इंक्लूड हो. अगर इसकी एग्जांपल मैं आपको ऐसे दे दूं कि आपके
aldose sugar is
सॉफ्टवेयर पे आप मंथली बेसिस
glycerose, whereas ribulose is pentose.
ठीक है, ये 6 स्टेप आप डेटा लेते हैं.
And ketose sugar. Ethrulose is tetrose and ketose sugar. Dihydroxyacetone is triose but ketose. Aldose sugar is glycerose and glycerose. Aldose sugar is glycerose. Ribulose, erythrulose, and dihydroxyacetone both are all these are ketose sugar, whereas dihydroxyacetone is triose ketose, erythrulose is tetrose ketose, ribulose is pentose ketose.
वन है तो उसमें एरर बहुत ज्यादा है। एरर का रेशियो क्या है? अगर आपके सिग्मा 1 एरर है तो वो हम काउंट करते हैं डीपीएमओ होता है डिफेक्ट्स पर मिलियन अपॉर्चुनिटीज। अगर आपको मिलियन अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती हैं तो उसमें से डिफेक्ट्स कितने आते हैं? अब वो सबसे ज्यादा लोएस्ट जो हमारी क्वालिटी होती है सिग्मा 1 उसमें हमारा डिफेक्ट 30% होता है। लेकिन हम जैसे जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर की क्वालिटी बनाते जाते हैं, जैसे जैसे हम इम्प्रूवमेंट की तरफ जाते हैं कि आपका एक सॉफ्टवेयर है वो आपके हर एरर को इजीली करेक्ट कर देता है, इजीली उसमें एरर आने के चांसेस कम हो जाते हैं। तो अल्टीमेटली अपनी क्वालिटी इंप्रूव करके सिग्मा 6 पे चला जाता है जहां डिफेक्ट के चांसेस बहुत कम होते हैं। 99.9% एक्यूरेसी होती है डेटा। तो यही जो है हमें क्वालिटी अपने इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी में लानी होती है। अगर हम बाय डेफिनेशन सिक्स सिग्मा को देखें, सिक्स सिग्मा इज अ सेट ऑफ टेक्निक्स एंड टूल्स for process improvement. It is a statistical representation of the defects per volume of activities performed.
Due to shortage of time, I have to go fast. That's why I have repeated the lecture.
आपको रीड करने हैं वो इसमें मेंशन हुए हैं। Kindly go through the book. It is not an easy subject, so you have to put your efforts.
The number of isomers of glucose, no, it will be continuous in polysaccharide class or in isomers and anomers, isomerism. Whereas polysaccharides are, I have repeated polysaccharides when many monosaccharides units join together more than 20 monosaccharide units. These are polymers. These are not acids, not proteins, not oils. These are polymers. Polymers means large conjugated molecules having large molecular weight. They're very compactly arranged, attached with each other. Due to dehydration reaction, they are very compactly attached. When we have to open them, we have to add a water with them, then they will be open.
Already designed system क्या है? आपकी classes कर रही हैं, ठीक है? आपका एक system
So polysaccharides are polymers.
Emergency आ गई जिसकी वजह से आप लोग
all these will be discussed in class of isomers, isomerism.
उस redesigning से क्या हुआ? आपकी classes बंद
Now the sugar found in DNA is deoxyribose nucleic acid. Sugar is xylose, ribose, deoxyribose or ribulose.
डेफिनेटली उन्हें यूज करना नहीं आता। तो क्या है, आईटी की वजह से ही ये रीडिजाइनिंग हुई है जिसको करके आप तक लेक्चर्स को एट होम डिलीवर करें। अदरवाइज वाज इट पॉसिबल फॉर यू टू
ribose, deoxyribose or ribulose or xylose. Deoxyribose is used for the synthesis of deoxyribose nucleic acid. Deoxyribose. Sugar found in milk is
बस ऐसे कि आपने एक प्रोडक्ट बनाया, ठीक है? अब उस प्रोडक्ट में क्या है, आपने 1 मिलियन के करीब प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए, ठीक है? 1 मिलियन प्रोडक्ट्स में से अब आप देखते हो कि कितने प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं फॉर सपोज केस को ऐसे ले लीजिए, एक 10 लाख आपने साबुन बनाए, ठीक है? अब आपने ये देखना है कि उन 10 लाख सोप में से कितने सोप जो है वो खराब होते हैं।
Sugar found in milk is
कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स में भी हमारे एरर्स होते हैं,
lactose.
हम उन एरर्स करते जाते हैं, कितना एक्यूरेट डेटा हमारे पास आ सकता है, ये कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बढ़ती जाती है। अच्छा, उसके बाद दिस मच रिक्वायर्ड हो I haven't understood your question.
Sucrose consists of glucose plus glucose, glucose plus fructose, glucose plus galactose, glucose plus mannose. Glucose plus fructose is answer. Most abundant carbohydrate found in nature is cellulose. Cellulose is most abundant carbohydrate found in nature. Cellulose. Most abundant monosaccharide are most abundant sugar found in body living organisms. Glucose. But most abundant carbohydrate found in nature is cellulose.
That is the
Cellulose is
ideal.
most abundant carbohydrate found in nature. Most abundant carbohydrate found in living organism is monosaccharide glucose, whereas most abundant carbohydrate found in nature is cellulose.
For the wastage of money. दूसरी बात ये आ जाती है कि आपने कहा
Now I am
dividing
repeating again.
yes, it is very difficult for them to
Some
have.
question will be discussed with their lectures. Like in isomerism, anomers, epimers, stereoisomers will be discussed. Up to this level, you should be clear of the linkages and the carbohydrates, monosaccharides and disaccharides and oligosaccharides. Most abundant carbohydrate found in nature is cellulose. Cellulose is found in
Advanced
most
extra
important carbohydrate found in nature is cellulose.
then
Starch, glycogen is the storage form of carbohydrates. Where cellulose also is structural component. It's the most abundant structural component found in plants as well, but it provides structural structure, rigidity to these things. So most abundant carbohydrate found in nature is cellulose.
और आपका आईटी का मॉडल कह सकते हैं कि मैनेजमेंट की ही तरफ होगा लेकिन we will use our models इसमें अपने मॉडल्स मौजूद है आईटी के any other question
Sucrose consists of glucose plus fructose. Glucose will give rise maltose. Sugar found in milk is lactose. Sugar found in DNA is deoxyribose.
एक्सपेक्टेशन को जो वो मीट नहीं कर सकता उसका बेसिक
Galactose is most important epimer of glucose.
हमारे पास
Polysaccharides are polymers.
बहुत सारी इन्वेस्टमेंट करती लेकिन आपकी
Pentose sugar is
परचेजिंग बढ़ती यानी
ribulose. It can be pentose, pentose and ketose, ribulose. Triose, glycerose. Aldose, glycerose.
ह्यूमन रिसोर्स चाहिए अब वो जो आपका ह्यूमन रिसोर्स था वो आपका ट्रेन प्रॉपर्ली नहीं था वो उसको अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर सकता तो
Hope all this lecture is clear to you. You have questions. You are unable to unmute you.
मल्टीपल सिस्टम्स होते हैं आपने को देखा होगा कि हॉस्पिटल में बहुत सारी चीजें
Hello?
हो रही होती हैं एक ही बंदे को
Hello?
हम 10 जगह पे भेज रहे होते हैं यहाँ वो इधर में बेस
Hello?
Yes. Hello.
Students?
Hello.
Hello?
Ma'am,
रेडियोलॉजिस्ट
ma'am, I have a question.
जिन्हें अगेन जो है वो मल्टीपल चीजें हम करते हैं ये रिकॉर्डिंग
जी.
Ma'am, can you listen to me?
Yes, I am listening you. Yes.
बुक में लिखा हुआ है कि हमारे पास जो स्टार्च है वो ग्लूकोज यूनिट आपस में ज्वाइंट होते हैं तो उससे बनता है और इसमें नीचे लिखा हुआ है जब ये हाइड्रोलाइज होता है एंजाइम से तो ये माल्टोज और ग्लूकोज में ब्रेक डाउन होता है तो ये हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल कि माल्टोज बन रहा है उससे
कोई बाहर का बंदा नहीं देख सकता अगर ये काम है अगर नहीं उस पे डिसीजन तो डेफिनेटली इन सबको
मैम
तो वो जो डेटा गैदर करने वाले होते हैं वो कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाता है और उसकी वजह से कहीं ना कहीं हम फेल कर जाते हैं तो वो डॉक्टर्स हमारे कि आप ये नहीं कर सकते कि आप ये डॉक्टर्स हैं उनको आप निकाल के अलग कर दो आप जाएं पाकिस्तान अगर हम आपकी गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम की बात करें तो गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम लेकिन उनकी लर्निंग में बहुत टाइम लगता है उनकी एक्सेप्टेंस में बहुत you are understanding what I'm saying?
थोड़ा बिस्कुट नहीं अंदर
ये थ्योरी है ये पॉइंट है हेल्थ केयर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की बात करें तो वो कहेगा कि जी ये कॉम्प्लेक्स सिस्टम है लेकिन बहुत सारे अदर
Starch
फैक्टर्स
is alpha 1,4 polymer of glucose, neither maltose.
सॉफ्टवेयर का अपना सिस्टम भी बहुत मैटर करता है कि भाई सॉफ्टवेयर
Starch is a polymer of glucose, neither maltose. glucose units, they join together by glycosidic linkage to yield starch.
दोबारा समझा
मैम बुक में लिखा हुआ है starch are hydrolyzed by amylase to liberate dextrin and finally maltose and the glucose unit.
आपने जब ओपीडीज को इंक्लूड किया था तो वो laboratory वाला डेटा उसमें नहीं आया error था। उसमें जो है वो लेप्रोस्कोपी जो लागू
नहीं लगता ना इस वाले में तकलीफ है किसी से पूरा नहीं आता।
तो आप
Now we can say,
इफेक्ट्स कम होते हैं।
now it depends upon the enzyme which breaks the starch. Like if it is broken by beta amylase, okay,
मैम
then it removes two glucose units at a time and producing maltose. The example of this, it happens in germinating seeds.
only 6 pages of this chapter हमारे पास
It occurs in germinating seeds only. Okay. Otherwise,
yes ma'am.
Glucose units are joined together to yield starch. Furthermore, when beta amylase breaks down starch, it removes two glucose units at a time, producing maltose. An example of this reaction is found in germinating seeds.
Okay, thank you ma'am.
text me in WhatsApp if you have any issues
मैम इसमें जो स्टार्टिंग में रिएक्शन है और मोनोसेक्राइड्स के आपने वो नहीं बताया।
कौन से? हाँ वो फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, ये लेटर ऑन कल की क्लास के बाद।
ओके मैम।
मैम ग्लाइकोसाइड्स भी?
हाँ ग्लाइकोसाइड्स भी, ग्लाइकोसाइड्स भी।
Ma'am, I have a question.
जी
As we know that glucose is a important source of energy, but